Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the MyMostOrdered feature in your Beacon International MyAccount. This feature is designed to save you time and make your reordering process as smooth as possible. First, log into your MyAccount. Then navigate to the MyMostOrdered section. You'll now see your top 50 most ordered products from the past 12 months. You'll find the product SKU, product name, the latest price, and a quantity checkbox. This gives you a clear overview of your frequently purchased items. To reorder an item, simply enter the quantity you need in the checkbox next to the product. Once you've selected all the items you need, click the Add to Basket button. You'll then be taken to your shopping basket, where you can review your order and proceed to check out as normal. MyMostOrdered makes reordering your essential supplies quick and easy. No more searching through product lists. Your most frequently purchased items are right here. This feature will save you time and streamline your purchasing process. If you have any questions, please contact our customer support team or contact your local branch.